Are collectible gold coins worth buying? That all depends. How you doing, everybody? Stacking Stormtrooper. I hope you are doing well. If you're new to the channel, I am a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, get the bell notification clicked, and this black dot is bothering me. Anyhow, guys, if you are new to the channel, you know that I do like stacking gold. It is something that I've been doing since the mid-2000s. And recently, I would say over the last 2 years, I've been focusing more on gold, less on my silver stacking. I've been stacking silver mainly to stack my perma stack and my gold at a faster rate than I would if I was just trying to save money and trying to buy silver and gold either once a month or once every couple of weeks, etc. So I've been buying and selling silver as a way to grow my stack at a faster rate. And when it comes to the gold, I typically am buying gold mainly for the weight, not so much for the collectability. I'm not like one of those whales or those ballers who's able to buy really high-end collectible, low mintage gold coins. Every once in a while, you'll see somebody post something on Instagram or they'll do a video on YouTube showing some ridiculously beautiful gold coin that has a really low mintage, and they had to pay an obscene amount of money in order to acquire that particular coin. So when it comes to stacking gold, I typically am always buying the brilliant uncirculated raw gold. I am not buying stuff that is slabbed and graded, only unless I am given the same price as I would be given a raw gold coin. So if I was going to the store buying a 1 ounce gold American Eagle and I was told, look, you want to buy this slabbed one, we'll charge you the same amount, then I will go for the slabbed item. I've been able to buy some proof coins like that. I was able to get a reverse buffalo proof that way. So every once in a while you will get a deal. But this came across my feed on Instagram and I decided to go for it. Why don't I just show you what this is? And let's see. The reason I've got the glove on one hand and not the other is mainly because I have a cut here and I'm trying to conceal it. You know, as somebody who's on YouTube, if I see people with cuts and dirty fingernails and stuff like that, and they're doing these videos where they're just showing their hands and stuff like that, it kind of turns me off. I kind of, you know, have to bite my tongue to tell them to not, you know, to not say nasty things like, dude, go wash your hands or something before you film a video, or stop biting your fingernails and things along those lines. So what did I get? Well, this, like I said, this is something that I feel like kind of spoke to me in some way. Let's see what we got here. Any guesses before I take this sucker out of here? And it seems like it's in a capsule. Let's take a look at the all new to me 2018 gold 4/9 fine Niue Scrooge McDuck. Okay, so this is a 1 ounce gold coin that I just had to have. The reason that I ended up getting this, and I'm going to share with you the price that I paid for this, is because I remember from a very young age, and many of you too probably have a lot of memories of Scrooge McDuck diving into a pool of gold coins. And I remember Mickey's Christmas Carol, Ebenezer Scrooge, played by Scrooge McDuck. I remember him stacking his gold coins really, really high and just wanting to have a gold stack like Scrooge McDuck. So I decided to get this coin just because, like I said, it was fairly inexpensive. And let's take a look at the obverse here. You've got the Queen, $250, 2018 Niue coin. Just a really, really nice coin. Right? Take a look at that. Let's get a little closer. Look at that. Really, really pretty coin. I ended up paying $2,074 for this 1 ounce coin. At the time, spot was right around $1,975. Maybe 20 bucks less than that. But my premium over spot wasn't really any different than the premium that I would have paid for a gold eagle. And this coin has a limited mintage, and I'm going to share some of the specs with you. So let's take a look. So as you can see here, the 1 ounce gold bullion Disney Scrooge McDuck 2018 gold coin initially was retailing for $1,861.75. This was on New Zealand Mint's website. Here you have Scrooge McDuck on the reverse. On the obverse, you've got the Queen. And this is what it looks like in the capsule. Here you can see it's 4/9 fine gold. It has the copyright Disney. Just a really iconic character and just a nice looking Disney coin. When you come down here, though, it gives you some of the specs. And what I'm looking at is right here, which is the mintage of 25,000 coins, okay? 25,000 coins is a limited mintage. Sometimes you'll see coins have even much more in terms of mintage. You know, you talk about the pandas and, you know, kookaburras and things like that. Those are in the couple hundred thousands. And then you go upwards of, you know, in the millions when you're talking about coins like the American Silver Eagle. But when it comes to collectible stuff like this, really, you're looking for the mintages. You want a limited number because the less of these items there are in existence in circulation, not even so much circulation, but in the hands of collectors, the more valuable they can possibly become. Now, being that this is Disney, you have a tremendous amount of upside potential on this particular coin. Now, I purchased this coin for $2,074 about, I want to say 2 weeks ago. Here you have it listed at $2,990, almost $3,000. Best offer accepted. No way to know exactly what this sold for, but maybe figure a couple $100 less, give or take. Over here, $2,500. This sold for as of March 3rd of 2021. February 24th, 2021. This coin sold for $3,500. So being that this coin has a track record of selling upwards of $3,500 and as low as $2,500, I think that I've done okay so far, being that I only paid $2,074. I avoided paying tax because it was from a private seller. And so yeah, this is definitely something that I am happy with, just in terms of the potential of reselling it on the secondary market, whether it be to other collectors or on eBay. If you go to try to sell something like this on or in a local coin shop, you're going to get hosed. Definitely. But in the secondary market on a selling platform like eBay, possibly even Instagram, you can do fairly well, as the price history shows. So as you can see, because I paid only $2,074 and we're already seeing people spending far more on this coin on eBay, I did fairly well. Now, this is something that I'm going to keep for a long time. Again, the reason is that I have, you know, some sort of memories. And the reason is I have memories that are very positive and influential on how I ended up becoming a stacker in the first place. It basically represents something to me. Now, I typically, like I said, won't get coins like this. The reason being is that these have a limited buying pool. You have to think about the people or the person who would actually want to buy this coin. They would have to have a significant amount of disposable income that they would be willing to spend on a 1 ounce gold coin, knowing that they could buy a 1 ounce gold coin like a eagle or a maple for far less money. So really, you're basically hoping for the right collector to buy this coin. If I were just going to sell this at a local coin shop, more than likely they're just going to offer me below spot for it. Doesn't matter that it's got a limited mintage or that it's Disney, you know, that there's only 1 in 25,000 of these. It doesn't make a difference to any of these local coin shops. They're going to charge, or sorry, they're going to pay you less than spot for this type of coin because to them it's a gold coin. And that's kind of, you know, some of the shtick that they'll feed you is that they have to cover their backside, right? They have to cover themselves in case of a fluctuation in spot, which makes sense. But then when they go to sell it, they're going to mark it up significantly more than an eagle. You know what I'm saying? So you are best off, if you're going to get one of these coins, know that you're going to try to capitalize on that extra premium through a private sale to a buyer, not so much a coin shop. Otherwise, you're going to lose the amount that you put into it. It's not going to really give you that kind of appreciation that you were hoping for. But for me, this is something that I'm going to hang on to. This goes into my perma stack, and I just think that it is a great coin and the significance behind it for me. Now, question for any of you that are still hanging with me up until this point of the video: how many of you have early childhood memories of Scrooge McDuck and wanting to have a pool full of gold to jump right into, right? Really cool coin, cool character, and being a stacker who prefers gold, to me this was a no-brainer. And I just want to quickly thank these elite channel supporters, and if you haven't become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. Check out these videos. Until next time, long live the Empire.